Shall we go on a beach walk? Climbing down the mossy steps. Green moss grows in their stripy sides. It's the small details. We always miss the small details, don't we? I look to the right. What a beautiful soul, sitting amongst the flowers. Dirt and leaves getting stuck in his amber fur. Down the sleeper steps, across the stone raft. I glimpse the old sea defences. They're sort of buried with the stones now. They're still there, people walk on them. Up onto the ridge. See the sea clearly now. Here comes Killy. He'll be able to walk over these stones, no problem. Oh, and there comes Helen. She's always late. If we're going to set off at 4, we tell her we're going to set off at 3. She's still late. You'll be late for your own funeral. Let's go for a paddle. Standing in the water, looking out across the sea. When the sea roars, you can scream into the sea. It'll take your screams away. So much to see, so little time. Shall we go back? Yeah, we should go back. The sky is black behind us. Ellen laughs at me. She throws her head back and does that snorting laugh. She's so much braver than me. Constant treatments, chemo, radiotherapy, reconstructions, radiotherapy, the fix. They'll give you 10 years. There's only 4. I'm not ready to die, he said. A week later. He said to me, it's the first time I looked in the mirror and I didn't recognise myself. Come on, let's go back. Wind's picking up now. There's a storm coming. It's a storm beach. There's always a storm coming. Life. There's always a storm coming. Into the beach garden. Looking at the deck. The deck where your amber colour ebbed away. And I stroked your lovely soft fur and said, how beautiful you were. And your paws, fur turned grey. As I told you, you could be with the flowers forever. I feel Helen's hand on my shoulder. Don't worry, she said. You can come on a beach walk again with us.